In this week's court report, an employee at the Pahrump UPS store recently arrested after being accused of embezzlement, burglary, petty larceny, and parole violations is scheduled in court this Thursday. Police say Ted Barkley was seen on UPS surveillance camera footage taking a package out of the store. The package in question contained a wallet with cash, approximately $87, but when the package was delivered to the intended recipient, it was void of any currency. When police interviewed Barkley, he admitted that he had taken the money from the package. It was also discovered that Barkley is on active probation for narcotics and concealing evidence. During Barkley's formal arraignment, attorney Jonathan Nelson was appointed as a conflict attorney, and Nelson represents Barkley in other matters. The court also advised the defendant that he might be responsible for reimbursing the county for the use of his public defender. Then the court confirmed bail at $5,740 cash or bond and set a pretrial hearing for October 12th. The defendant was then remanded to the custody of the Nye County Sheriff's Office. Barkley also has a pretrial hearing in a separate case scheduled on November 30th for the charge of possession of a controlled substance. The area woman who was rearrested on home invasion charges after facing charges including luring a child and indecent exposure after being accused of attempting to lure children into her vehicle at Ian Dortch Park, then allegedly exposing her breast, is now scheduled in court tomorrow for her pretrial hearing after it was continued per defense request. Shauna Lee Gibbons' preliminary hearing that was also previously scheduled for October 4th was vacated. However, the defendant did appear in court for her arraignment hearing. That proceeding actually had her advised by her attorney of her rights and the charges against her, the consequences of a first, second, and third DUI conviction, and the ways that she could plea. The court appointed attorney David Reichert to represent Gibbons in other matters and appointed him to represent her in this case. Attorney Reichert waived formal reading of the complaint. Attorney Reichert also advised that the state had extended a modified offer in the defendant's other cases, which did not include the defendant's new case. Attorney Reichert motioned to reset all of the defendant's cases for another pretrial. The state did not oppose. The court set a pretrial for October 11th, and the defendant was then remanded back to the custody of the Nye County Sheriff's Office. Among other bonds for various amounts connected to other various open cases of Gibbons, she retains an active $8,140 bond connected to the charges of 2 counts of luring a child or mentally ill person and indecent or obscene exposure, first offense. This has been your court report. I'm Eunette Gentry for News 46.